In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a melee weapon on a bike in GTA 5 on the Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a one-handed melee weapon, you will be able to swing it to the left and right side while riding a bike. Make sure that you are careful and you are aware of your surroundings while driving it. But to actually do the swings and use your melee weapon, all that you have to do on Xbox is to hold A and then press the right bumper or the left bumper. And as you can imagine, this is also going to translate to PC and PlayStation. So to summarize, hold A, you will take the melee stance, and then you can press the right bumper or left bumper, also known as R1 and L1, and you will be able to swing them left and right of your bike while driving. So once again, hold A and then press the left bumper or the right bumper. If you have a melee weapon equipped, you will use that as long as it is one-handed, and if you have your fists equipped, you will just try to do a push or punch. And like I said, on other platforms, including PlayStation 4, you will have to hold X instead. And as soon as you hold X, you can press L1 or R1. And you can also do it on PC, usually the default keybind being X. So press whichever one is best for you, and if you are on PC, you will have to click left and right instead. So for Xbox, to answer the question in the title of this video, hold the A button, you will take the melee stance, and then you can tap LB or RB. The direction of the attack will depend on which shoulder button or mouse click you press, so choose left or right accordingly. If you do not have a single-handed melee weapon equipped like I mentioned, you will perform a kick or a punch instead. So the results are always nice to see and you will get some pretty hilarious moments. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a melee weapon on a bike in GTA 5 Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.